making DALGONA cookies. I think that's the name from Squid Game. Disclaimer: we don't actually have the molds to like make it properly and look like them, but like maybe you guys have it, but you guys just don't have the recipe for it. So let's start.
We don't have molds, but remaining all the ingredients we have, right? Yeah. So first you take the oil. Apply some.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it some more.
You need to grease some oil so that when we make the candy, it won't stick it. Yeah. Now the plate is ready. You can keep aside.
Okay, so the reason why we put the oil on that plate was because that's where we're gonna put down the sugar. That's where we're gonna make the DALGONA shape. We just need to make that about DALGONA dough so that we can pour it down. Take a pot and then what else, Amma?
Sugar.
Okay. We will be taking a tiny cup because this is the first time we're making DALGONA, so we don't want to waste all of our sugar. So pour it on, right? Put it aside. So once we put it on, we need to turn the stove. So keep it on low flame and then let the sugar melt. How long?
It will take 2 to 3 minutes to melt sugar.
Should I like
in between you need to stir it? Yeah.
You need to start stirring. So since it was going like a little slow, I turned up the flame a little bit higher and then my mom put some water in.
Not much, just a tablespoon. Yeah, not tablespoon. It's just a
no,
spoon.
No, take some water and then just spritz it. See, Mama, how?
Little.
My mom is now adding little what is that? Why are you adding that? Did they actually?
To get the color.
Did they actually put that in the recipe, Amba?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah, we can add it.
We can add it. No, Amba, I want to
If
take
you
that.
don't have sugar, you can take the jaggery and make it.
This is not going to be like the actual DALGONA, Amba.
Right.
Okay.
Then take little
Baking soda.
baking soda and add it.
You need to start stirring, right? Ooh. Basically, does this like speed up the process?
Yeah.
How quick are we gonna make the cookies?
You see?
In the
This is
camera,
color?
yeah. In the camera, it looks yellow and like a yellow egg yolk, but in real life, it's actually orange.
Sugar powder they put actually,
Okay.
but we do not have a sugar powder.
I think this would be enough to make like 2 cookies probably, Amba.
Mm-hmm.
2 per.
Now take this. Come this way. Okay.
Yep. Is that the cookie form, Amba?
Yeah. I will make 2 or 1. 1 is enough.
1 is enough because we don't even know if it will be like the cookie form.
It will be good cookie form. Watch.
Now we need to get the molds, Amba. Go, go,
I
go.
have it.
That's big enough for the cup. Go get it.
Now you want this one? This
Yeah. So we're gonna use a cup to get it. Yep.
Cool.
Oh, but it's gonna solidify fast. Come on. Okay, my mom's actually adding water to the cup. We have oil. Actually, not water. Now we're gonna get the imprint on it.
What's that one? And that one is enough. Let's check. Let it cool down now. It is already fine.
It's not the
Huh?
We should use the American sugar. I think we didn't let it caramelize long enough. Okay. So this is only our first time. So this is not exactly a recipe. Uh-oh.
We're dead.
Okay, we still have some left. We can still try again. Again, guys. The same batter we have.
This is actually too much.
Brown. We need it light brown. That way it wouldn't be crispy. It would be like sugary. Okay, we're now resurrecting this one, which will probably get into a more crappier life. Okay. It doesn't look like the color from the show, right, Amma?
No, that's okay.
Okay. I hope it tastes like it. Or we can at least get a shape. Okay. I didn't take out the extra stuff, Amma. It's too crumbly, Amma. Let me try to this. Again, guys, with jaggery instead. This might be the Indian dalgona then. The only shape we could possibly make is a circle, so we'll try and then carve it in the end if we even get one properly. Remember, baking soda. Start stirring. Add a little bit of water. We don't want it to become like biscuits like that one. We're gonna start more. Start stirring very fast, like blender, okay?
No, it is not just all heated up. Wait.
Okay. Start breaking it up with a spatula.
It will break. Wait.
Okay.
It will melt and it will soften.
Start turning up the print. Start turning up the
This is
print.
enough for us. You make the triangle or which one you want?
We don't have any molds for triangle, Amma.
Let's make the circle itself. Watch.
Okay. That's
I
all.
put it so that I can lift it easily. Okay?
Okay.
Is that color coming?
Yes, color's coming. In the camera now, it looks like the color is there. Okay. We need to start We need to stop stirring it once we see it's crusting up on the sides. When stirring. Just add a little bit more temperature, okay, Amma?
No.
Okay. So we're gonna try again. Second time.
I'm gonna shift the camera.
Technically, this is our third try. Oh! Can you move a little bit, Amma? I wanna give it here.
Perfect.
Okay, this might be actually working. We might actually get this. Amma, if we perfect this recipe for ourselves, maybe can we take it to school?
Yeah, you can take this one. I did not do anything, so it is ready.
No.
We want to take it to school.
What?
What?
Ah!
Ready?
That's not right. You put it inside here.
How about circle? Inside one more circle we need, right?
In the camera, it might not look like the color, but in real life, it's really just it. No, we're not gonna pour it onto that tiny cup.
This one only is enough because that is very little. This much big paper is useless.
And we take the mini cup.
Okay.
That one for the circle. Watch.
ఒకటి చాలు.
Okay, now we're gonna make a mini one. Just take it out, Mama. Just pour it out. Take it out. Place it on there. Now take one of the. Now take the tiny vanilla cup. I'm gonna use that to smush it. Put it fast.
Then what?
Vanilla bottle cap.
Ready?
Tiny one, tiny one. It is a.
Wow!
Will it actually stick to the paper?
This is perfect. No, so this is the wax. This is the wax paper. It will come out, Nana.
Okay.
You need to give a shape now. Faster. Yeah.
Okay, we made a tiny one.
Show like this. Wow.
Pour it in a circle shape, Mama. Pour it in a circle shape. Okay.
Wait, no need that one. Still no need.
Mama, we need to get it into circle shape.
I understand.
It will not be perfect when we smush it.
I understand.
Mama, scrape it back in. Mama, scrape it back in.
We just. Okay, happy? Not now. Let it cool. Come. Now we gave the shape. Now Livia will solve this problem.
I cannot die. It might not be crispy, Mama.
Perfect. It will crispy. Wait for some time. Now I need a box. Since I have this box, I brought it from Dubai, which is saffron box. So I take out the saffron. Then I'm just creating the box. This is the perfect one now. Wow. And as you can see, the hint behind, you guys can see. I will give this one to solve Livia now. Hint is behind. Let's see what he does. I'm going to put this. This is a saffron box which we brought from Dubai. And I have a pair of needles. I'll give one needle to him.